and welcome to BEC channel. My name is Jobel and today we'll be talking about admit and allow. We say let or allow when we give permission, like
Hi, babe. Yes? Oh, yeah, tonight? Oh,
sorry, you're not allowed to use your phone.
really?
Yeah.
Sorry. Babe, I'm gonna call you back later, okay? Bye.
We use admit when we allow someone to enter a place.
Oh, sorry, I'm late.
Sorry too, but latecomers are not admitted. Okay? Sorry.
Okay.
So there you go. If you want to learn more, you can check out our website on www.english-bec.com or click the links down below. Or better yet, come to BEC and study with us. Don't worry, it's easy. BEC.